Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's MyKey here, and welcome back to MyKey to Success. First of all, if you guys are new to my channel, if you like what you see at the end of the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course if you think that anyone can benefit from this, hit the share button and obviously send it across through to them. Without further ado, I'll get through into this video. This video is just one that I put together based on the comments and all the feedback that I've had. A lot of people have been asking me questions about who I recommend in regards to e-commerce stores and building stores online that is professional but obviously cost effective, but also reliable, where they have a good service for people who haven't started up a business before and it's their first time. So they call it Branding You Limited, the company I recommend where it comes to building or starting up e-commerce websites. The reason why I recommend them is because they actually don't just build stores. They actually have a mentor. The mentor will actually help you select products if you've never done this before. Once you've selected those products, they'll then build a store for you and they'll hand that over. Then they actually have options for them to actually build an Instagram store, Facebook store, and just a couple of other stores that plug in directly help to create sales on those social media platforms. Really interesting. And then they go into conversion optimization, so actually not just driving traffic, but actually ensuring that those guys that actually are on the website actually purchase. And you see a lot of the things on the website over there that actually came up, things like actually the PayPal label over there that was just guaranteeing and letting you know that PayPal guarantee any purchase you make from the website. You also have the sales pop-up that actually gives you an idea of all the different people that have been on the website, the traffic, what people have been putting into the cart, what people have purchased. So it's really good and it really helps the conversion. Now the last thing, and the actual checkout page when you're on the cart, it actually shows you the delivery date and how long it would actually take for you to actually receive that item. Very similar to Amazon or eBay, and that actually helps you to make a decision when you're actually purchasing. So it's really interesting and clever, a lot of the stuff that they do. Check it out. I know a lot of their packages are really cost effective. Really recommend them if you're looking to start up a business, help with like selecting products and things like that. I'll just roll the clip and you just see a little bit more from them about the simple steps on how you can actually start up an e-commerce website for yourself. So here we go, here's a video. So you've seen the simple steps. They call it Branding You Limited, the company I recommend where it comes to building or starting up e-commerce websites. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 5 simple steps for starting up an e-commerce website, and I'll see you in the next video.